So now I've tried to align the GSO focuser, but the conical socket is really poor when it comes to precise adjustment, and it doesn't have a tilted ring, but I tried to do my best. And now you can see how the reflection of the point source light of the laser, of the mirror, centerizes somewhere directly at the screen. I need the camera closer now. So right now, when I find the center of curvature, so the laser dot and the center of the reflection are very, very close to each other, and judging by the distance, it's around 2 meters. It's really like 4 millimeters by 2 meters. This is a very, very precise alignment.